Matt here, Atlas Precision Consulting, take 155. This video is about NetStock. And NetStock plays very heavily into purchasing. And it plays heavily into the two most common replenishment methods in P21, which is min-max and up to. So I'm in item master inquiry for my item here. I'm going to the purchase stock card because it doesn't really live on this front screen. And you should be familiar with this screen if you're involved in any kind of purchasing whatsoever. This is also called the calculation tab when you're looking at PORG. Essentially, NetStock, which is this top formula here that we're going to look at, is just a bunch of additions and subtractions of different types of transactions. And the net stock is if all of those transactions were posted at the same time, the net result of that would be my net stock. This is how many I would have on hand after I've shipped, transferred, received, produced, whatever. This is the number I'm going to have on hand, which then carries on into other calculations, both min-max and also into up to method, which I'll cover those in different videos. They do a really good job of breaking down the calculation. They show every single little bucket that goes into it. Now, some of these for your business, you may never have numbers in those fields, but that's fine. It doesn't hurt anything. But again, it's important to know that this is one of the starting points when you're purchasing in P21. You gotta understand the net stock and how it affects min-max and up to. Again, I'm gonna cover those in other videos. If you guys like this video, you want to see other content, make sure you put a comment down below or a question below. Like and subscribe, and keep here. Atlas is always here for your P21 needs. Thanks, guys.